Hello, science fans! Today let's explore the invisible river of wind high above us, the polar jet stream. Picture a fast-moving current of air 10 kilometers up, circling the globe from west to east. This jet stream acts as a barrier, keeping icy Arctic air to the north and milder air to the south. But it doesn't flow in a straight line. It wobbles and meanders like a snake. When the jet stream is strong and smooth, our weather is predictable. Cold winters, warm summers. Its strength comes from the temperature difference between the frigid pole and the warm tropics. A bigger difference means a faster, stronger jet stream, locking cold air up north. But when the jet stream weakens, its path gets wavier, and that's when things get interesting. North of the jet stream, expect cold. South, enjoy warmth. The jet stream guides storms, moves air masses, and shapes our daily weather. It's the master puppeteer of our climate, moving heat and creating the weather we feel every day. So, next time you check the forecast, remember, the jet stream is working behind the scenes. Understanding this river of air is key to understanding our wild, unpredictable weather. As spring arrives and the Arctic warms, the temperature gap between north and south shrinks. This weakens the jet stream, making it slower and wobblier, like a spinning top losing speed. Instead of a straight path, the jet stream forms dramatic loops called ridges and troughs. Ridges bring warm air north. Troughs drag cold air south. When a deep trough plunges south, it opens the Arctic's refrigerator door, letting frigid air spill far beyond its usual range. That's why you might get a sudden freeze or even snow in late April or May. These cold snaps can be extreme, dropping temperatures by 15 degrees C, 30 degrees in just a day or two. The battle between winter's retreat and summer's advance plays out along the jet stream. Its unpredictable waves are why spring weather can change in a flash. If you don't like the weather, just wait a few minutes. The jet stream might be about to shift. These jet stream dips aren't just theory, they impact millions. In spring 2024, a massive jet stream plunge brought freezing air to North America and Europe. Farmers faced sudden frosts, scrambling to protect vulnerable crops. In Europe, vineyards lit fires and used fans to save grape blossoms from the cold. The cold lingered for days, stuck by a blocking pattern, threatening food supplies and economies. A simple shift in the jet stream turned spring days into winter, with real consequences for agriculture and energy. These events are becoming more memorable and impactful, sparking global conversations. The jet stream's power is a vivid reminder of our planet's complex, volatile climate. So why are these wild jet stream swings happening more often? Scientists point to a warming planet. The Arctic is heating up twice as fast as the rest of the world, a process called Arctic amplification. This shrinks the temperature difference that powers the jet stream, making it weaker and wavier. A wavier jet stream means deeper cold snaps and more intense heat waves, sometimes in unexpected places. Weather becomes a roller coaster, not a gentle wave. While not every cold snap is caused by climate change, a warming world makes these extremes more likely. Computer models show that as the Arctic warms, the jet stream will get even more unpredictable. This new normal means more abrupt, jarring weather shifts, affecting food, water, and infrastructure. The stable climate many remember is changing, and the jet stream's wild path is a clear sign. Understanding these changes is crucial for our future. With sudden cold snaps on the rise, preparation is key. Don't trust the calendar. Check your local forecast and sign up for weather alerts. Keep some winter gear handy even in spring, and be ready to protect your garden from frost. Schools and workplaces should ensure heating systems can be switched on if needed. For travel, watch for icy roads and keep an emergency kit in your car. A little planning goes a long way when weather turns wild. By understanding the jet stream and staying informed, we can stay safe and ready for surprises. Stay curious, stay prepared, and let science guide you through whatever the weather brings.